Paul Kim here, and in this video, we're going to be looking at a recent feature update with GoHighlevel, and it's the ability to customize the calendar widget. And so previously, it was a very simple calendar widget, and now with the new update, you're able to customize some of the colors, the buttons. The best way for me to show it to you is to go to my screen and share my screen. All right, so we are in one of my sub accounts, and as you can see here, we're in the calendar settings, and the customization is available for all of the calendars: simple, round robin, class booking, and collective booking. Um, for this demonstration, I'm going to go and edit this current calendar here, and we're going to go to edit. And the customization is available right here in customization. Just to note that the ability to customize is only works with the Neo widget and not the Classic. Now, as you can see, these are some of the customization that could be done. Now, what I'm going to do is I pulled this preview widget for how it's currently set up, and this is how it's set up. As you can see, it's a white background with the blue buttons. What I'm going to do is I have a Chrome extension. It's called ColorZilla, and I went to my website, and I'm going to pick a color that I would like to utilize. So I'm going to go and pick the color, and that, let me see, it is the, go here and pick, and as you can see, that is the color. And so I'm going to go back and change that to, let me see here, I'm going to pick the number here. So you pick the color and the color button right there, and you can actually change that. And I did a copy paste because when I picked the color, it actually put it into my storage and copied it. And then now I press Control V to paste it. And then once I do that, then it picks, you see the color has changed. And so when I preview the widget, as you can see here, you see the color has changed. Now, if you want to make the background that color, now what I would recommend is changing the, if you want to change the background to green, and then you want to make the, you definitely want to pick contrasting colors, because if you pick similar colors, then it's going to be very hard to read. And so what I would do is pick this one as white, right? So let's go back, let's go to white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pick FFF, right? And right there. So I'm not exactly sure how many. Just go and make sure and pick. So that's going to be white. And oops. So it should be one. All right. So then for the background color, I'm going to go and pick the green color. Let's see. Control V. Oh, actually, let me go back to that color palette, and then we're going to pick it again and go back to that number and copy and paste it there. And as you can see, the background color is green. And now we're going to preview it. And as you can see now, everything is green with the white. I probably wouldn't pick this because it's kind of very hard to see. Maybe I would pick a lighter green and then pick either black or white. So you can try it out and then figure out which is the best color to match with your brand and your company. All right. So now we can have the change the button text, which is, it currently says schedule. So maybe you want to say, let schedule demo, right? And previously, if you go to this one, it says, um, let's see here, continue. continue, and it says right here, this button, it says schedule meeting. Now, if we change it to schedule demo, let's see, preview widget, and let's just say we picked the 19th at 1:30, and then you press continue, and then as you can see, schedule demo. So this has the ability to change the button text of the widget. Okay, so let's go ahead and change it back to, actually no, we'll keep it as scheduled demo. And then right here, you have the ability, so this title, description, and detail, as you can see, this is the original right here. This is the title, this is the description, and then here the calendar details. Um, This is typically right in here. And so what we're going to do here is, let's say you want to turn off the calendar, and we're going to preview it. And as you can see, the calendar disappeared. And so let me get rid of all of these previous widget. And this is what it looks. So as you can see, before it had this, and now it's missing that title. Now let's just say that you want to remove the description. The description is this portion right here, learn more about. And when you click on preview, as you can see, description has disappeared. Okay. And let's go and now remove the calendar details, right? And let's go and delete, preview the widget. And as you can see, this detail, which was previously here, is now missing. Now, depending on how you want to present your meeting schedule or your calendar, you can remove or keep any of those features as you want. Okay. Now, if you want to reset it to its default setting, you can always click on this, and that will result in setting it to its default setting. I hope this video was helpful in customizing your calendar widget to your company, your brand, and I look forward to seeing you in the next feature update. All right, bye now.